Riding.
You got nothing furs.
I'll bring him next week. Yeah,
And
he's...
you're getting his nose back too. I see.
Oh, he looks good.
He looks
Head's
good.
up and down. I like that up and down.
The pickup's gone anyway. And through to do it, I gotta use my other hand, left hand, to do it. Watch your horse, not me. Shit.
What?
I'm fucking wrong. Beautiful. Take it?
Nope.
Yeah, I did.
Yep.
Hmm?
Yep. Then he stops, yeah.
What happens?
If you don't keep pressure on him, he stops.
There ain't one in there without shoes on.
Two doors I'm working with.
How do you turn?
Get your button there.